We are 6 billion now and will be 8 billion people by 2030. Feeding residue-free food for this growing population is a real challenge. The impact of residues is well known on both people and soil. Soil health is adversely affected using synthetic inputs. Plants respond to very high doses of synthetic inputs owing to poor soil fertility. The beneficial soil microflora and fauna have long dwindled owing to abuse of synthetic inputs on our farmlands. Our story is about giving back more to our lands, environment, and to this ever-expanding world by tapping nature's bounty to provide biological solutions for soils and crops. Did you know that bacteria called Azotobacter is capable of fixing 50 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare? Did you know that plant called Pongamia could be used for control of sucking insects? We understand language of green through our plants and microbes. Welcome to the wonderful world of bioagri inputs, a world of biofertilizers, biopesticides and biostimulants. A residue-free solution that one company believes in, AgriLife. AgriLife brings this nature's gift from lab to land through its focused research on beneficial microbes and effective plant extractions. Our focus has been to provide inputs for sustainable agricultural practices since our establishment in 1993. Our group R&D Center is recognized by Government of India, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. We are based in Hyderabad, India. We export to over 50 countries, catering to residue-free food and farm needs worldwide. AgriLife is one of the leaders in organic inputs production with over 100 certified inputs approved for use in organic agriculture. We cater to soil needs by producing a wide range of biological fertilizers. We understand plant health care is very important to protect it from pests and diseases. We produce biopesticides from plants and microbes to protect your plant with no residues in an eco-friendly way. Fungal diseases affect the plants right from the seedling stage. Our biofungicides help protect the plants from various pathogenic diseases. Nematodes have become a huge problem, and we address nematode control through our unique biological nematicides. We manufacture biostimulants that provide plants with an array of macro and micronutrients, enzymes, vitamins, and plant growth regulators. We help you make your own compost by providing composting and enrichment microbial organisms, making farming a sustainable activity using dung and debris of your farmland. Our submerged fermentation facility produces a wide range of bacterial cultures which are used as biofertilizers and biopesticides. Our fermenters are dedicated to produce specific microbes which are well complemented with a fully equipped formulation and a matching downstreaming facility. Our solid-state fermentation facility enables producing wide range of beneficial fungal-based biopesticides and biofungicides. Our botanical and herbal extraction plant helps us harvest actives of natural products which are used in manufacturing biopesticides, biofertilizers, and biostimulants. Packaging is done as per the customized needs of our end users. We offer bulk packaging options as well as customized retail formats which enable our clients to choose from a wide range of packaging solutions for our powder, liquid and granule formulations. Separate facilities for packaging powders, liquids and granules offer flexibility to our clients to choose from various packaging options in a contamination-free environment. We are seamlessly connected to various transporters owing to our location in an industrial park near Hyderabad, India, ensuring that materials leave our facility and reaches the destination in time and good condition. The goodness of sustainability is what we see in our happy farms and our smiling farmers reaping a residue-free harvest across the world. At AgriLife, we embrace sustainability through our biological solutions for soils and crops.